Good morning guys, hope you're all well and welcome back to our channel. So the last couple of days Richard and Jack have been working on this cracking little S4 2017 that's come all the way down from Blackpool for some bits and pieces. Now we have done some genuine VAG retrofits on it, but this video is purely to talk about our Sound Package 3. Now in June this year, 2025, we launched a brand new website and we've introduced a new audio section. So the audio section basically is at the moment only 5 audio packages, but we're now moving that up to 8 audio packages so that you can have a read through, see which one ticks boxes for you, and also most importantly which one is the best for your budget. This particular customer wanted Sound Package 3. Now Sound Package 3 consists of a few things that we then tweak as and where we need to, and also speak to the customer and say, look, you've got this car, we could do with this, we could do with that. But most of the time, we're all on a budget, so therefore we work to what you want to do, and most importantly, what you want to get out of it. So in this particular car, we have done stages 1, 2, and 3 sound deadening. That includes door cards coming off. We've then done an outer skin on here so that you get rid of that hollow sound and feel on the doors, and the outer skin is covered. Then what we've done is once the door card's been removed off, we've done our usual stage 2 on the door cards. So I'll get Richard to come around with the camera and we'll just show you a little bit of what we've done. So once the door cards have been removed, these will get safely put onto the trestle ready for the sound wave to go in here. On the back of the outer panel, we've put 2.5mm Vespa. We've then also put 2.5mm Vespa on the window regulator panel. Not only the window regulator panel, but all around the new speaker ring adapters that we have to put in here, because this is the stock Audi system on here. And even though it came with 8-inch stock drivers, they're really poor quality, no depth, no warmth, and not amplified in any way apart from the main MMI drive. Then once the stage 1 and 2 are on, the back of the door card gets built up with the 15mm eggshell sound wave, and that then soaks up any unwanted cable noise, clips and everything else when you're driving. Because of course with all of these things, plastic will expand and contract with different temperatures. The APK 165Ps have been added. That's the Audison APK 165P. P is for power. It gets then fitted in here with the crossover mounted neatly into handle for the tweeter, and then the cabling gets brought through and the tweeter goes up into the stock position onto the dashboard. So Audison tweeters have gone into the factory locations on the dashboard, and mid-bass has gone down there. Now, as I was saying a few seconds ago, the stock system in this car is 8-inch. It even comes with a factory sub in the boot. The problem is the quality is lacking so much that they might as well have not done it. So what we've done is we've reduced the 8-inch stock speakers down to a 6.5-inch with a proper speaker adapter, fitted in the water guards to stop any water from getting down here, rotting out the speaker and rotting out the speaker guards, and the plastic silicone seal just deflects that water away from the system and makes it sound really good. But going back to the reason why we've reduced the 8-inch down to 6.5 is because these 6.5-inch speakers, they just work so nicely. They're clean and they're clear and they work to a nice frequency. Also on the basis that we haven't fitted an amplifier, a DSP, a processor. We are just using the speaker outputs on the back of the quad lock from the MMI system. Right, now we get to the exciting bit. Every car lacks bass, lacks depth. The speakers can't fire down or handle the lower frequencies. That doesn't matter what genre you're into, classic, rock, metal, whatever, hip hop. You just can't get that out of your standard speakers, so that's why we need a subwoofer. So what we've done on this car is we have fitted the Audison APBX 8 AS2. That is the 8-inch boxed active subwoofer. Active means that it's already got a built-in amplifier. It's waiting for a decent power from the battery and a chassis ground. It's waiting for its speaker audio supply or input, and then also we've run a nice little neat cable to the front, which we'll show you, for the subwoofer control. Now you won't be able to see it in this particular shot, but there is a stock subwoofer under here. It's very underwhelming, just even looking at the size of the magnet and the speaker design itself. It wasn't designed for performance, and that's because it is the stock system. But this completely now changes the whole setup in this car. As Richard has found with this particular install, is we can't control the low frequencies and what they do to the car. So that basically means that when the subwoofer is doing its job, there's other little things around the car that are going to pick up from a bit of vibration, a bit of resonation. So we'll then listen to it, and as we fit the subwoofer, we'll add in a little bit of panel line or sound wave in there just to quieten it down. If it needs a bit of sound deadening, it's all part of the price. It's not a big deal. We just want you to be able to get in the car on handover day and listen to a few of our favorite tracks and your favorite tracks and go, wow. And this is exactly what this customer is going to do today when he picks up. The subwoofer control has been run all the way through to the front, and Richard has expertly fitted this into the lower center console panel near the start-stop button, and it looks like it was a factory-fitted bit of kit. Easy to use, it's not cumbersome, it doesn't look aftermarket, and yeah, looks absolutely fantastic. So, Audi S4, 2017, all the way down from up north, for Sound Package 3. Active subwoofer in the boot, APK 165s in the doors, that's 6.5-inch speakers, they're component speakers, tweeters up on the dashboard, stages 1, 2 and 3. Just this sound package alone is going to put a smile on this customer's face. If you want something like this, get in touch with us. There is on our website a dedicated inquiry form for the audio side of things. If you want a telephone call to have a chat, no problem. We'll ask you for some basic details, we'll ask you for some pictures, and then we can give you a quote, discuss your needs and requirements, and go from there. Website links in the bio. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you don't subscribe already, hit the subscribe button.